Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another marketing strategy to grow your brand, reach, and revenue. And on today, what I'll be sharing with you is 7 must have call to actions. Okay, I'm calling it email marketing chit chat to build that know, like, and trust that leads to clicks, opens, and sales. Okay, and so what I want to share with you is, first off, is what is a call to action, or some of you have heard of a CTA. Okay, and all it is basically the information that you will include in your marketing strategy to tell your visitors to your website, your customers that you may already have acquired, your subscribers to your email list, what to do next. Okay, because if you don't tell them what to do, then they will not take action. Okay, and so here they are. The first call to action is your downloads. Okay, when someone has come to your website, or maybe they clicked on your Facebook post or some other social media platform that you're on, and you say, hey, I'm going to be giving you a free ebook, a free chapter, a free coupon, free consultation, whatever that thing is. Okay, you're sending them to your email autoresponder to download that particular freebie or item or discount or whatever it is. Okay, and so that is the first thing that is a call to action. Okay, you tell them to download. Click the download link. They'll get the book. They'll get the coupon. They'll get whatever it is that you're sharing on your website or in your email marketing autoresponder, wherever it is that you have something of interest that they want. Okay, and so that's the reason why they're even going to click on there, because they either want to learn more about what you do, or they are interested in just purchasing what it is that you have offered. Okay, the second call to action is share. Okay, you want to, on your website, you want to have a plugin. If you have a WordPress plugin, you want to basically tell them to share your posts. If you're blogging about whatever your content is, to be able to get more visibility, to get that ranking on Google, you want to have those share buttons on there for them to share on social media. Okay, also, if you in your posts on Facebook, Instagram, and all those, you actually want to tell them to share on there just as well. Okay, and in your email marketing campaign, you're going to have them to say to share. You have an icon of your Facebook, an icon for your YouTube, an icon for Instagram, or whatever those things are in your email autoresponder. Okay, the third call to action is click here. Okay, and so say you talked about a particular product or service. All right, you want them to go ahead on and click so that they can purchase whatever it is, that you just talked about, whatever it is you shared with them, so that they can buy, so they can get more information, so that they can learn more, or basically sign up to your course if you have an online course, basically to go to Amazon to get your book, or Etsy, or wherever you have that product or service. All right, click here. That is definitely a call to action. All right, the third one is to learn more. Okay, so say for instance on your website you have a article on there about your product or service, and you can have them to click, from that little paragraph that you have, to go to the full article, which goes into more details or more steps. So say you had an article that say, hey, I have 5 ways for you to do X, Y, and Z, and you may have showed them 2 ways, and then they need to click to find out about the other 3 ways. Okay, which you can also have them to sign up for your email autoresponder to get those other 3 ways through email. Okay, and so you definitely want them to do that. Or say you introduce them, to a course that you have, and if they're saying, hey, you know what, that sounds good. That she created a new course. Let me click on here to learn more about her course, which will send them to your sales page of that particular course or whatever it is you're selling. Okay. Then number 5, contact us. You definitely want them to have a way to contact you. Now, I know some small businesses may have, offices, brick and mortar. They may have phone numbers for their business. But if you do not have one, you definitely want to get a free, business phone number through Google. Okay, so you can do that. And so there are several ways you can get a phone number that is not to your actual personal cell number. Okay, but you want that in your email responder. You want it on your website. And as far as contact us, I know I have they can contact you via email, or they can contact you by phone. A lot of times, when you talk to somebody personally, it kind of basically is a better way of selling your product or service, because who knows your product or service better than you? And it's one thing to put something in writing, but it's one thing to have that person on the phone and you had that mindset, I am making a sale today. Okay, so that's why it's important to have a phone number for them to call you. Of course, they can email you, but sometime if they send you email, you haven't answered the email, they're gonna move on to the next business or customer, that have that same product or service. Okay, and so you definitely want to get a free Google business phone number. Okay. I combined number 6 and 7 together. The first is video. So if you have video, whether it's on a YouTube channel, or Vimeo, or you've done a Facebook Live, a YouTube Live, any of those types of video, you want to include those in your email marketing. You want to put them on your website. You want to put them on your social media pages so that you can start getting the number 7, subscribers. Okay, you want to get visibility. You want, basically in that video, I'm quite sure you're sharing something of value. Okay, and so you want people to sign up for your program. You want people to buy your product or service. And so that's where this 6 and 7 comes in. Create videos. You can create videos on your phone, YouTube, shorts. Now, I'm not sure if you guys, I already shared with you guys where YouTube, you can create short videos now, anywhere from 15 seconds, up to 60 seconds. And so they don't have to be long, because that was initially an issue that I had, is that I didn't have time to, get my hair together and makeup, lipstick, whatever, people believe you got to have when you do video. Okay. So YouTube Shorts is a way that you can do video and create one every day. I have actually created a YouTube short every day for 153 days so far. Okay. And so you can go to my YouTube channel, email marketing content creation, and you will see that I actually created 153 videos, and I'm not showing my face. I actually have some content on there. It's basically sharing with those who come to my page, email marketing subject lines that you can use in your email autoresponder. Because guess what? If you don't continue to have the conversation with those who have subscribed to your email list, then they're gonna forget about you. And pretty much that's why you see commercials every day. Okay, we know McDonald's is around the corner, but they're going to show you a commercial on the TV. They're going to send you their sales paper in the mail. Okay, and so that's what you want to do. You want to constantly be in their face. And so that's why I share email subject lines for you to create an email every day and add it to your email autoresponder. So when that person who have signed up for your list decides to buy whatever it is that you are selling, okay, you're going to be on their mind. You're the one, the expert in their eyes. You're the go-to person in their eyes. Even when somebody say, hey, do you know, who I can reach out to, to get braids, who I can reach out to, to get my nails done or whatever it is, to buy an outfit, for this night that I'm getting ready to go out on. You're the person that they're going to reach out to because you're in their face. You have sent them an email every day, okay? And the emails don't have to be long either, all right? Just get to the point. I'm one of those type of, person, like, just get to the point. Tell me what you got, and I'll make a decision after that, okay? And so those are the 7 call to actions that you want to implement in your marketing strategy. It is a must, okay, for you to expand your reach, to build know, like, and trust. That leads to sales, okay? And of course, if you're going to be using an autoresponder, I always recommend TrafficWave.net. You can start using it, 30 days free trial. And as you're pretty much making money selling your product or service, you can also make money, as an affiliate marketer of email autoresponders. TrafficWave is just one of those. Also, there's Aweber, there's GetResponse. They have links for those as well on here. Also have different tools and services that you will need, to create your products, some content to be able to share your product or service, like Screencast-O-Matic. That's free, okay? Now you can pay $15 for the year to have a little bit more time for your video, but basically it's free to use. All right. Then there's Google Slides. Of course, we know Google is free to use. Then if you need some images, Pixabay. If you don't have your freebie, okay, you want to, create a 7 tips, 7 steps, 7 strategy, ebook. You can do that right here. I have a link for that. If you don't have a nice microphone like the Blue Yeti, which is what I use, I have a link for that. And then if you don't have hosting for a website so that you can have that landing page for the person to come on and to opt into your email list, then you can get that there. And there's opt-in pages. And so anyway, those are some of the things that you can actually get started, okay, and move forward with these things. And for those of you who do not have a website, which I still don't understand why some businesses do not have website yet, okay, all you need is an About Us page, your services, a contact page. And most people think, well, I'd rather not have anything, than to have what I really want, okay? What you're doing is missing out, okay? Get something up there. If you can reach out to me, I can share with you how to get set up with Google My Business. You can get a website set up on there. And so anyway, that's just my little pet peeve. We were looking for something just recently, and we're trying to find a person's website. They don't have one. Their website is, hey, come to Facebook and we'll chit chat from there. Okay. And to me, if you're a successful business, you definitely should have a website. Okay. And thank you for listening in on today. You can connect with me if you're like, hey, you know what, Terry, I hear you saying that I really need to do email marketing to connect with clients and customers to build know, like, and trust so that I can start increasing my sales. Then reach out to me at wevoiceit.com/appointment. And also what I do have is an opt-in page where you can get a free video where I share with you how to get 50 new email subscribers in 30 days. Okay. And until next time, I'll go ahead on and continue to make that chit chat cash. All right.